So, YouTube lovers, there's a viral video that is going on, which is how to make an handkerchief skirt. So this is my fabric. It's a sleek material. So I'm about to fold it and cut an handkerchief skirt. So let's cut it together, and I'll be measuring how and how I did it, so that you all guys can learn from me. So this is my front pattern and this is my back pattern. You know I can't chalk the front, so I'm chalking from the back. So let's go. So on this, I fold my handkerchief skirt. I fold this now. I fold my fabric like this. This is the way I fold it. And then I come this way. You can see it is not equal. One is longer than one. So let's go. So you are going to make sure your fabric tally, like your fabric is equal, so that there will not be mistake. So you can see what I'm doing right now. And if you want to place an order, you're free. I deliver worldwide if you want to place an order. So this is it. This is it. So here is my scissors and my clip. So now I'm going for my measurements. On this, my waist is 35. My waist is 35. So you divide 35 by 4. Let's go on the division. So my waist is 35. I'm going to do 35 divided by 4 equals to 8.5. So this is how you go with it. Now 8.5. I'm using freehand method. So that's 8.5 is my waist. So you go here. This is my waist now, 8.5. You chopped it. I have chopped it. So let me know the length of my skirt. The length is 20. The length is 27. So now 27, I'm minusing 2.5 for my band. So let's say 3 inches for my band, 2.5 for my band, y half inch for sewing, which is 3 inch. So now we are going. This is my 3 inch now. So let's say I have 30.25. You can see it now. So I'm going to chalk the 30.25 here. I hope all you guys can see. So now for the side, you are going to measure this side, because the skirt is not a straight skirt, it's a curvy skirt. So you measure from your waist down to the length of your upper knee. For me, I'm going to go down to my heel. I'm going to go down to my knee, because I don't want something that will be short and I had to join it. No. So I'm going to measure down to my knee. So down to my knee is let's say down to my knee is 20, let's say 35. Okay, my upper knee is 24, right? I'm not a tall person, although I'm not tall. So let's say my upper knee is 24 and my down knee is 35. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to come here. This is my tape, you can see. So I will measure from here. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Please, I'll measure from here right now, because I want you all guys to see what I'm doing. So I'm measuring from here. I want to get my 35. So here I got 28 and half. 28 and half. Let's say 29, because my fabric is not big. So I got 29. I was supposed to get 35, but my fabric is not big. Okay, because this is just 2-year fabric. So here now, I got 8 here in my waist. So I'm gonna bring down 8. Let's say 8 and a half with my sewing allowance. This is my 8 and a half. So I'm going to follow the 8 down. No, down too big. So this is the 8. So I'm just going to go down by 3. I'm going down by 3. Let's say 3 and a half. I'm using my freehand method. So 3 and a half. So let's go to the cutting. So you can see right now, I have cut the waist of my skirt. This is the waist of my skirt. You can see I have cut the waist of my skirt. Then right now, I have to cut this upper part. So I'm going to go down like this. going. So I'm taking this part out. Then you can see guys, so I have finished cutting my sketch right now. I'm done cutting. So let's open it and see what it looks like. So this is it. You can see this is what an handkerchief skirt looks like. You can see. So this is it. You can see what it looks like. You can see the curve of it. You can see it right there. But this skirt, I want it to be on my waist. So by the time I put my band, the handkerchief skirt becomes like this. So let's go around cutting my band. So this is it. So right now, I took 3 inches for my band. This is how to cut your band. I took 3 inches for my band. And remember, I divided my waist by 4 while cutting the skirt. So right now, as I want to cut my band, I am dividing the band by 2. So you just come over and say 34 divided by 2, which is 7.